The question is the compound C7H8 undergoes the following reactions. So we have to calculate the product C, which is the formula at the end. So first, this is the empirical formula given C7H8, and we don't know what compound it will make. So we will first calculate in this type of question. We will first calculate the double bond equivalence, and the formula for that is C minus H upon 2 I plus N upon 2 minus X upon 2 plus 1. So we will substitute the values. C are 7 minus H is 8 divided by 2, which will be equal to 4, and then plus 0 minus 0, as there are no N or halogen. So we will add 1. So this will come out to be 4. And the double bond equivalence for benzene is 4. So we know this is a benzene ring, and after that CH2 will be remaining. So the formula for the benzene is C6H6. So we will have to add CH3 to the compound. So it will become the same formula as C7H8. So according to that, we will form this formula. So after that, we have to react it with chlorine. And if we will react with the chlorine, we will do it through free radical mechanism. And when we will do that, so due to electrophilic substitution, the hydrogen in this compound will be replaced by chlorine. So it will become CCl3. And then further, this process is known as bromination. So we have to react this compound with bromine in the presence of iron. So again, after that, on this part, this will be A compound, this will be B compound, and here due to CCl3, this bromine will be added to here, which is meta position. So as CCl3 is a shows strong electrophilic substitution, the bromine will be added at the meta position, and then further reacting this compound with Zn and HCl, the reduction will occur, and Cl3 will be removed, and H3 will be added, and Br will remain as same as the previous question. So this will become C part, which is this, and this compound is also known as M-brototoluene. So first option is the answer.